Turn on the bait boat. Turn on the remote control and connect it to the boat. Double-click the power button to open the settings. Select the communication type. Choose Bluetooth communication and press the Enter button to confirm the setting. Setting successful. Uninstall the old version of the app. Enter the App Store, search for Ripton Boat and download it. Enter the Ripton Boat app. Connect the bait boat to the app. Click the Setting button. Click the button. Click Bluetooth communication. Connection successful. Click Firmware Update. Click Update. Once the firmware update starts, the remote screen will go black. Press the power button on the remote and the firmware will automatically update. Update complete. Let's test the remote's deviation correction function. Double-click the power button to enter the settings. Select the custom key function. Push the joystick to the right to enter options. Change the default option cruise control to fix the deviation. Press Enter to confirm. Setting successful. To activate cruise control, push the joystick forward for 3 seconds. Push the joystick backward to exit. To prevent satellite drift from staying in one position for too long, use the app to set a reference point. Click the third button on the left to set the reference point. Click Create Correction Group. If the satellite has drifted, you will notice a deviation between the boat's position and the actual spot when performing tasks. In this case, select Fix the deviation by pressing and holding the custom key button. The Ripton Boat app will use the reference point's physical location and algorithms to resolve the satellite drift issue, ensuring accurate task spot positioning.